I found a very pretty Barbie tote bag. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. I think the Barbie craze is not yet over and I think I'm just getting started with collecting some Barbie items and I'm very happy I found the perfect Barbie tote for me. But before I open this very pretty tote bag that is picking, I would like to share with you that I was given a freebie along with this purchase. And this is my freebie that I got from them. It's a pocket mirror that is in Barbie design, warning too cute to handle. One side of the mirror is zoom, you can zoom it, while the other one is the regular mirror. And I'm very happy that I was given this very pretty, very Barbie mirror, pocket size mirror. Now let's open the bag. This is from this shop. I'll be happy to link them for you. When you buy from them, they have many other freebies for you to choose from. And so I'm thankful I was given a freebie from this shop, Kelly's shop, and I'm be happy to link them below. This video is not sponsored, but I'm very happy to share with you what I got. First, let's measure for size reference. This measures 34 cm by 37 cm. And this bag really caught my attention because of this design. This is a Barbie tote bag because this very beautiful design will change when you do this. Ken will be on the other side, will be the other design. So that is very nice. I really love that. This is a very pretty tote bag. And I'm very happy to use this. I don't have anything like this in my collection yet. And I think this very pretty tote bag will be a very beautiful part of my Barbie bag collection. So this is just a simple tote bag. This is an open tote bag that is in canvas and the material is in color fuchsia pink. And it comes with this magnetic closure so this is the handles of the bag. And the inside is lined with fabric. Very well made for a tote bag. And on the inside, it also came with a zippered area. It's quite big I think the phone would fit in that area and that open space. So that's just a simple tote bag that is very well made. I don't have a tote bag that is in canvas yet, so I am very happy to be able to get this in this very pretty and dainty Barbie tote bag. And this can be handy. You can put this in your bag in case you need to bring more, or a folder. This can be very handy and very trendy and girly as well. So that's just a simple bag, and I'm very happy to link it below in case you're interested to getting this bag and some other Barbie bags from that store. I am planning to get more in the future. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags, be it simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.